They both woke up. Rachel, you need to get a tan. AJ's kicking your butt.
Yeah, he's so much darker. You're so nice, Rachel. Are you sharing your pillow? Who's this? Who?
Baby.
That's right. That's the baby.
Good job, Rachel. Oh yeah?
Alright, baby needs to eat now.
He's hungry.
Mm-hmm.
You can watch your... What are you watching, Rachel? What are you watching on TV?
It's the Teletubbies.
There's bad reflection. You can see the window.
These children are from Korea.
Those children are from Korea.